Hello everyone, this is Colette with True Door Property Management. Today we're at 13342 Gilbert Street in Garden Grove, California. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. I'm just gonna wipe my feet. Here is our first bedroom to the left. Lots of natural light. Closet in here. Looks out into the front yard. Here is the living room with a fireplace. Mirrors on this wall to make the space feel a little bit larger. And 2 sliding glass doors to the beautiful large backyard. This house was newly renovated, brand new vinyl plank flooring, brand new stainless steel appliances. Here is the kitchen, marble countertops, plenty of storage space, large window, and a door directly to the backyard. Behind me, we have a beautiful family home with family room. Wow, I cannot talk today. With a fireplace with these amazing stones, vaulted ceilings, and of course, sliding glass doors to the backyard. Across the way here, we have our first bathroom. It is a full bathroom, newly renovated in here as well. Standalone shower. There's some storage here behind the door as well. Right here we have our garage, workspace station, storage cabinets, of course a door to the outside, washer dryer, plug-ins. All right, we'll head to the other side of the house, which has our 2 remaining bedrooms and second bathroom. Here's some storage in the hallway. Here's that second bedroom. Looks out to the front yard as well. Lots of natural light in here. A closet. Here we have the second bathroom. All right, and the last bedroom. This one's a little bit larger than the other 2. Lots of natural light in here as well. Of course, it doesn't seem like it because it's raining today. All right, we'll head to the backyard. There's so many options. Which door should we take? All right, here is the backyard. I'm not gonna step too far because it is raining. Back over there, it is a storage shed. There's an awesome swing right there on the tree, patio. Again, this is 13352 Gilbert Street in Garden Grove, California. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, newly renovated with vinyl plank flooring, stainless steel appliances, marble countertops. For more information, feel free to visit our website at truedoorpm.com.